queen last night when I relocated the swarm, but there's still this cluster left. Perhaps the pheromones on the tree, or she was still left. I couldn't see because it was dusk. They might have been late foragers, or she might have been at the very bottom and not been taken when I relocated them back to the hive in a better shady spot. We'll find out what happens today. Maybe they'll come and share the good news that there's a better location that has more shade. Let's hope so. Hope they stay there. Bring the rest back. Maybe they'll have more midday and afternoon shade and the morning sun dappled for warmth. There's another choice in case it's a little too big for their small swarm. Get some room to grow.